Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off inbox messages on your Reddit. We will go to figure out this solution on now how we can do that on your Reddit. You just go up, you click here on this is image here or this is picture, then you this is window show for you like you say, and you just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here like you say, then you just click here or account settings for you, and this is a window here, and you come here to this window or account settings, and you just click here on manage notifications. Then you come to notifications window here like you say, and you just come here to inbox messages. We will go to turn off. We will just click here on this is mark or this is color, and like you say color it's gone, that's mean inbox messages and it's turned off now. So that's all now. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.